still dealing with the outside world.
They have a choice. Institutionalized. I love that shit, man.
It ain't
lax. It was nuts. 19.
But you came in hard headed as a bug.
Yeah, because
you came in stubborn and on some other bull crap. You know what I'm saying?
I think a lot of older people are following.
I was telling you, I had to tell you almost every day, man, shield your butt out. Shield your butt out.
You don't want to hurt none of that junk. You don't know. You don't know weed. You don't know nothing.
I'm over here now.
Hey, man, you got a long way to go. I was still busting. I was at 40. At 43 was the last time I stopped busting. They jumped down on me at 43.
When I told Mark that a lot of that was missing from inventory, and oh, by the way, it happened to be something like 91. He had no response.
I was killing them on the court at 43. Man, I worked in the gym. I was the commission. I was the commission in the gym. I got out here and I done blew up like D12.
This time relax.
Man, I was telling my, I just telling my partner, man, you put a handball in front of me and them come, I'm through. I used to run the handball down with that motherfucker wall. I'm gonna look at that motherfucker.
Oh, me gonna blow out.
Which country? What's that?
Well, fuck.
What's that?
Get me out of it.
What's going on?
Use two little valves. No sun broke this shit. Yes, yeah. You know I'm still. Oh, man, can't let a man get up under that neck. It's color purple. Might be rough.
In September of 2005, Anderson was charged in Marin County with 10 counts of theft. Civil lawsuits followed the criminal charges. And the summer turns to fall, Anderson is evicted from his new warehouse. Non-payment.
Right around the time first was notified that he was being evicted from the warehouse, he started doing internet research on topics such as arson investigation, things like that. He was quoted by one of his employees as saying, "What a tragedy that would be with Jack."
Question.
Jack,
You want this backwards, forward, side,
I'm normally like feathered to the side.
dry timber,
the part here.
What's that?
This one or this one?
I ain't here, my partner be on. I'm just going for the hype.
Tank them.
Yeah.
Tank fight though.
On October 12, 2005, one of the biggest stories
Guess in Houston, no Toyota shit. What? I'm going to the Louisiana fest on the 2nd.
Flying out of town.
Well, I made off the road, everything. I'm tired of it.
You over here things? I'm over
I've been out 2 years.
I tripped. I came out. I thought I was dead for a minute.
What you feel like is your
I
best
came
side?
back and went back up.
Huh?
What you feel like is your best side? Your left side or your right side?
Stayed out to 15 and went back. Came on the 18.
Oh, all right. Cause it fall naturally like that too.
Went back? No, I ain't go back for it. So Schwartz got it. Yeah, $25.
What you got to do out?
Now they beat me up and they had me in hand. They took me on the house for the week, right? They went to my house where the cameras was at. So when I got out the car, I jumped out the car, right? They were all the AOS all on me. Get to the floor. I got to the floor for a while. They don't know they be in the pool. So I'm like, well, what you got tripping with me for? I asked that dumb question for you. You know what he gonna do after that.
might well get it for my kids. Let's go.
Ken Hall in
They hit me with them hands.
That's probably funny. No, for me, it's, she was told me. So,
They took me down through there, man.
you missed it through there.
The handcuffs on.
I got hurt.
Let this junk grow there,
Yeah,
man.
turn around and want to go ball. Oh, you ball. I'm over this. I know, I'm holding on.
You ain't number 40.
That's good.
He say I'm holding.
This some niggas going at 20.
I held on to 40.
Man, you was going at 20?
I let go of 40.
No, you let go. Oh, you let go at
I went
40.
Michael Jordan at 40.
Right.
I was standing around, I was curly right here,
But
and I was
at 20, it was going. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm 40 and I
My
still
daddy
got
holding on.
You blessed.
Get out of here too, man.
You trying to give me this burger one time?
Man, get your butt on.
Oh, my bar.
seen in this photo taken the day after the
What
fire.
else, man? You like to see, bro.
Taking
Like to see.
into the ATF's evidence.
Man, people need to show this. Not even that. I just learned that.
Are you leaving right after? I was just going to ask if do you have
It's
lunch
like
on leave?
real
I got
friends.
you.
These niggas everything. When you're a friend, you really be a
Never
friend.
be stranded in front of
Motherfuckers
the
will
way.
learn your
You
family.
feel me?
For real though, you get what I'm saying? Like that shit deep. Yo, motherfuckers share their mind like that. Motherfuckers go and visit and would know that person. You get what I'm saying? Like,
They take it serious.
yeah, so when I came home, I'm gonna say to myself, like, man, they don't even name my kids.
But they my friend. Friend,
No.
that's the wrong word.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's just different.
Anderson's
That's what it's
explanation
about.
was he was using that to take apart part of his metal cage or house. That was his explanation. But we can see the reason why he did that.
Oh, man, that's
Substantial claims against Mark Anderson is also growing.
Quite frankly, when we went out and did the interviews of some of the surrounding businesses and some of the people who worked at Wine Central, we routinely asked the question, who do you think may have had something to do with this? And every time we asked that question, everybody came back with Mark Anderson.
Anderson had recently been evicted from the warehouse for non-paying rent. The day of the fire, he was there to pack up his summer. He was one of the only people in the warehouse that day and left about 20 minutes before the fire alarms went off.
He also did something very suspicious after he left the building.
From the road, Anderson called the warehouse manager, something he had never done before.
And he expressed surprise when the office manager answered the phone. He said, "Oh, you're still there."
The call ends awkwardly, according to the manager, with Anderson saying he'll be back next week to pick up more of his wine.
My thought is he was checking to see if, one, the fire was in fact still going, and if anybody was still in the building.
I think he was concerned that he had set this fire and he wanted to make sure that people were out of the warehouse. Exactly.
Even without a warning, everyone in the warehouse was able to escape unharmed. If Anderson is the culprit, Agent Parker believes he knows the motive. It has a lot to do with the criminal and civil cases he's facing in Marin County for allegedly embezzling wine.
What the fire does is it gives him an out and to basically be able to say, all of the wine that you are alleging that I've embezzled was actually present and accounted for, but it was all in the fire. Now I can't prove it. You can't prove your case. Therefore, you need to drop your case.
But that's wishful thinking. On March 15, 2007, the U.S. Attorney charges Mark Anderson with 19 felony counts, including arson, transportation of stolen goods, and mail fraud, among others. So begins a years-long period of delay tactics and stalling. Anderson hires and fires a succession of defense attorneys. He pleads guilty, then withdraws the plea, saying he wants a trial. The delays aggravate his victims.
Mark Anderson is still infuriates me. The old story about that, like, he left in a room with him in a bath. Yeah, he's a bad guy, and he will not ever atone for his sins. He's just not that kind of guy.
In a letter to American Greed, Anderson says he's innocent. There are no actions which I ever did to warrant any charges whatsoever. Regarding the alleged theft, he blames inventory problems and serious packing errors. Victim Ron Lucier has a story on packing errors. While Anderson is in jail awaiting trial, Lucier and his husband decided to open a collection of silver oak wine they had stored with Anderson and managed to get back. It's kept in a special wood case, which they realized had been opened and glued shut.
Literally tore the cover with a crowbar off the box. And in the box were 6 bottles of 200. And the box had been glued shut. And that is clearly a deliberate act. It's not a misplacement.
In February 2012, Anderson's attempt to withdraw his guilty plea is denied, and he is sentenced on all 19 counts. At his sentencing hearing, small winemakers from across Napa Valley have a chance to deliver statements about Anderson's devastating impact on their lives.
We tend to think of winemakers and winery owners as being rich guys that have huge operations, but that's not what Napa County is necessarily all about.
Ted Hall from Long Meadow Ranch says the fire has been out of the market for more than 2 years. His best clients were not happy that his wine was unavailable. He says they include a famous restaurateur in New York City.
He was very rough and upset with me. He said, you know, I've been ordering wine and the distributor's been telling me they can't get it.
The restaurateur who was unaware of the fire felt sheepish when Hall explained the law.
He felt really badly. He felt really badly that he started the conversation by chewing on me. And
What
it's
the
proof
heck?
of condescension to it.
That's me. I'm chilling.
You want this pushed in or pushed out?
Tells the court that the fire nearly
What, like
Pushed up and down like that?
my sidebar? Unless you put it behind my ears, you can have it out.
No, I thought they was for me, but I can't fit.
The judge asked Anderson, his attorney, whether he had any problem with that. And they said, oh, everybody in the room
It's
was
about the biggest side, I think.
gassed. He announced the sentence.
27 years in prison. With the
Oh, this is
60-year-old
$1. Right, the
Anderson,
bonus.
it's effectively
$10.
because the journalist Bill Maher, the wine list has just one choice. They call it.
Right. Right.
It's supposed to be quite a kid, not real gourmet.
In this episode of American Greed, Brent and Tyler Cassidy, 2 brothers from St. Louis, are bringing a splash of showbiz to the tech biz, turning cemeteries into festival sites. Turning themselves into celebrities.
Like the friend who went home or something. Like.
Oh, okay. Hope so.
My mom, when I do her, she always play with it in front.
This new. This type of curl.
You normally wear like bone straight.
I had beach curls, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad, was it?
It's beautiful.
No, I'm saying,
The beach girls?
no. The beach in my
No. I just had to trim it. It's gonna grow like wildfire.
They have chosen their casket with flowers and music. They paid in advance for their funeral, putting their money into the hands of their local funeral home owner, Marty Myers.
That's why when I was shampooing your hair, I wanted to say we want to change your language.
Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
When you have whatever you say, and so we're gonna change our language.
Money was going in trust. They were trusting.
Now, what's the rapping part?
When you go to sleep at night,
I thought you was finna do it.
no, listen, no, because we got the feathers in them. When you go to sleep at night, you take the
Don't you rap the opposite way?
you wrap this way.
Right, the opposite way.
Well, no, some people wrap this way. You're gonna wrap this way because it's the lower side. You're gonna wrap this side right here, go around. When you go to sleep at night, it's gonna help your hairstyle last longer.
Because I see some people do it with the shower. I thought you was finna do it. But say, okay.
Well, it don't need to be wrapped now because I curled it. Do you want me to wrap it still?
No. I just do processes like that.
Some glasses, some drawers, drawers.
And by all appearances, is still living in a bygone era. It's where Doug Cassidy grows up on a small farm. By the time he's in high school, life